Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on a 2016 GMC Sierra. Now this has the 5.3 liter V8, and this will be the same process for the Silverado and pretty much all of the other GM vehicles that have this same engine. Air filter is located in this box right here, and the first thing we need to do is just loosen this 10mm bolt so that we can swing this out of the way. And then this bar, we should be able just to swing this out of the way, bring it all the way over here. But just like that. It's really not that hard, just this little support bar. I just kind of lifted up a little bit on the plastic here, and now we have access to the filter box. Now there's 4 screws that hold this in place, one at each corner. And you could use a 5/16 socket, or you could use a Phillips or flathead screwdriver. I'm just using the 5/16 socket. It seems to go a little bit easier. That's what they look like. This last one's a little tricky down here. There's an AC line that's kind of in the way here, but you can see I'm using kind of a wobble extension, and it's working. It's just kind of a funky angle. There's the last one. That's definitely the hardest one to get to. Okay, with all of those bolts out of the way, you can just carefully lift up on this cover and pull out the old filter. Now before we put in the new filter, if you just lift up this little lid here and look inside the box, if it's got a lot of dust and debris inside there, it's a good idea to vacuum that out before you put in the new filter. We just don't want any of that dust and debris getting sucked up into the brand new filter. And here's our new filter. This is a MicroGuard 42487, and you can see how bad this one is. I usually do the little filter drop test and take a look at that. Yep, really dirty. Definitely time for a change. Sometimes I'll hold the filter up to the sun just to kind of see what kind of light comes through. Really no light's coming through this one. Here, just for comparison, here's the new one. You can see all kind of light through there. That's just one way to kind of compare the two, but it's not a real scientific method, but it kind of works. So now we can put the new filter in. Just lift up on that lid and just set it right inside there. Just make sure that the new filter fits in there and is sitting flush around the edge of the box. And then we should be able just to push the lid back down. There we go. And then we can put the screws back in. This one at the bottom again is a little tricky, but you can do it. All right, those 4 screws are snug, and then we can just swing this brace back around and put the little 10mm bolt back in. And you're done. Quick and easy job, ready to get back on the road. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up a filter for your vehicle as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.